Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope each one of you is doing great. First of all, happy Women's Day. I'm sure we are all celebrating Women's Day. But I want to know, how exactly are you celebrating yourself? Beauty is much more than just wearing a killer shade of lipstick or getting those facial massages or hair spas. I am sure all of this is very relaxing, but your actual inner and outer beauty calls for much more than all of this. So in today's video, in the honor of celebrating ourselves, I want to share with you a few things, a few lifestyle choices that we must voluntarily adapt in our life in order to be happy, successful, and to be on the right track. It's important to make time to exercise daily, be it a brisk walk or a hectic Zumba session or a yoga class. It could be just anything, but you have to make sure to work out for 45 minutes on an everyday basis. And this is not to reduce a few kilos or to become lean or thin, but we all know that in order to be happy and successful and to be content, it's important to just work out because it releases your stress and it just makes you happy from your inner self. Working out also helps in increasing the stamina and your energy levels. The second tip is definitely very important, which we often avoid. Stop wasting time in being the Miss Perfect. Be it achieving a promotion in your job or perfecting a dinner of your loved ones or just doing anything. We need to stop wasting our time and energy in order to be just the perfect one, because that's just going to sap your emotional energy, your mental health, and it's just going to drain you out. So don't emulate Wonder Woman. Just try to think and focus on things that make you happy, that is of interest to you. A very important skincare habit that we must adapt is to apply vitamin E in our skincare routine. Now, vitamin E is such a concentrated molecule which helps to penetrate deeper into our skin and works magical. I love using the Neutriderm moisturizing lotion, which has vitamin E in it. This one is my absolute favorite currently. It's not just the vitamin E that it has, it's like a magical wand for your skin, because it kind of just gives that extra boost of hydration to your skin, and it also treats any sort of skin damages and also sorts dryness and wrinkle issues. Neutriderm is kind of trending these days because I've been seeing my fellow influencers who are sharing their love to their community for this brand, and I feel them because they make their products with so much care and thought, and I love using their products. This moisturizer has powerful hydration and anti-inflammatory properties that reduces the appearance of redness and acne spots while keeping your skin hydrated throughout the day. It also helps in barrier repair and adamant stretch marks. I can't get over how soft and supple my skin feels every time I apply this. After applying this, your skin will be glowing like a sun-kissed beach, trust me. Make sure to eat a rainbow arrow of food. So just fill in your plates with more of fruits and veggies and avoid any sort of processed food and juices, and cut down on the sugar intake as well. And trust me, if you make these little changes in your diet, your skin, your hair and your figure will thank you later. Taking off your makeup before you hit the bed is like non-negotiable, because you have to take off your makeup no matter how tired or drunk you are, because if you just sleep with the makeup on, you're calling for clogged pores, further reacting into acne, pimples, breakouts, and dull and lifeless face. So make sure to take off all your makeup before you go for your bedtime. Drink plenty of water. If you're like worried about those fine lines or wrinkles or dullness that's probably visible on your facial skin, then it's a clear sign of dehydration. So you need to increase your water intake on an everyday basis. I feel that using an anti-dandruff shampoo makes a lot of difference, because if you have dandruff, your scalp becomes very flaky, which results in clogged pores and then leading to acne, especially targeting towards the forehead. And if you already have pimples, it just worsens the situation. So dandruff kind of triggers pimples. So if you treat dandruff, then automatically your skin will also become flawless. So I have been obsessed with the anti-dandruff shampoo by Neutriderm. This is something that I've been using a lot lately, which just kind of eliminates any sort of dandruff and cleanses your scalp thoroughly. It is a super gentle dandruff ninja which takes down those pesky flakes right at the source. It has vitamin E, which gives your locks some extra TLC, making them soft and shiny, and it also soothes your scalp from the very first wash. Once you start using this, you will notice that your hair is radiating a healthy shine in just 3 weeks. You will notice so many changes. So this Women's Day, embrace your uniqueness and definitely pamper yourself. Believe in self-love, because for sure you and your skin both deserve it. So stay radiant, my beauties, because that's definitely the motto of Neutriderm. Try these products. I'm going to have the link of these in the description box below. And try these tips. Try to adapt these lifestyle changes and you will really thank me later. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was a tad bit helpful to you all. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section and I will see you very soon. Bye!